Do you want more listings? Do you want a plan that will assist you in getting more listings? Are you truly maximizing the listings that your brokerage has? Hi, this is Anna Ciano-Hendricks, and today we're going to talk about some tips on how to get what everyone wants right now, more inventory. As an agent, you work so hard to get that listing, and once you get one, where do you guys go from there? You put a sign in the yard, we know it's going to go in record time, when our inbox is going to be full with showing requests. But have you truly went back to basics? Have you went back to basics? You did all that work, you're networking and spending hours, possibly months, trying to get that one listing, only in a few short hours let that thunder die down. And then what? Hope for another one to come your way? Are you maximizing your listings? When was the last time you did an open house? And by this time, you're probably saying, Hannah, how can I do an open houses when houses are flying off the market? Or I don't like open houses, or best one yet, open houses don't work. Guys, they do, and you can do an open house. This is a virtually free way to get leads. Guys, think of how much you're spending on marketing spend right now, and the cost, the calculation of an open house and the ROI on that is so low, guys. It's a high return on investment. And what is the one difference now with conducting an open house versus the past? You think you're gonna have a full house? Yeah, for sure. So don't cancel that open house. So the seller's permission, conduct it. Get more exposure for your client. In turn, that's better for them to get a great offer, but also in turn, it's also in the best interest of not only the client, but you too. It'll give you the opportunity to possibly not even get more buyer leads, but potential listing leads that are coming in. Constant flow pipeline of leads. You guys will always hear me say what you do today will affect 30, 60, 90 days from now. Let me repeat that. What you guys are doing today will affect 30, 60, 90 days of what's going to happen in your future. And guess what? You're going to stand apart from the rest because majority of agents are not doing this. And who do you think is watching? The public? The clients? Yeah. Take it a step further, invite all the neighbors, host a wine and cheese event, make it special. Show everyone that your listings get extra TLC, not just a sign in the yard. And remember, when the market turns, when the market shifts, and historically it will, brand yourself as that agent that went the extra mile. You're gonna be top of mind, and when that neighbor does wanna list, they're gonna remember you for the steps that you took, not that real quick social media post that said sold. Leave a lasting impression. And once the listing goes under contract, don't just do it just listed, postcard, right? Farm that area, let the neighborhood know that that house went under in X amount of days, X amount of hours even. This could have affected the value of their home. Get them thinking, use that phrase. This could have affected the value of your home, and you potentially have more buyers because you did the open house. It gets them a call to action to call you. And once it closes, again, guys, farm that neighborhood. Let them know that the house sold and it could have affected the value of their home. That's a key phrase, okay, to have. Call of action, home evaluation, and get in the door. Don't have a listing? Then talk to a listing agent at your brokerage. See if they'd be open to you conducting one. Farming and open houses are not primitive. We always need to remind you to go back to basics. This does work. It's successful strategies that work and bring us this future. I hope you found this really valuable. Stay tuned for our next business building tip. And if you haven't joined our business building page, head over to Winning in Real Estate and like our page.